Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check coins on the Heyday application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's my hot farm. I have different buildings, but if you want to add an altar to yours, just you can select or you can buy it. So new, if you want to check the coins on the app, click to the money button at the upper right corner of the screen, and here click to the coins button, the last option, and here you can find the different coins option, for example pile of coins, bag, trunk, chest and others, and you can buy it with real money. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.